Dear students, this is Dev's Academy, and today we are discussing about shares and dividend. This class was started shares and dividend previously. That day I told you what is share, what is dividend, what is face value, market value, etc. etc. Today you will get some solved problems. The first question, which is, a man buys rupees 75 shares at a discount of rupees 15 of a company paying 20% dividend. Find the market value of 120 shares, his annual income and his profit percent. The solution: face value of one share equal to rupees 15 and market value of one share with a discount of rupees 15, that is 75 minus 15 equal to rupees 60. Therefore, market value of one share equal to rupees 60. Therefore, market value of 120 share equal to 120 into rupees 60, that is 7,200. This is one answer. And 20% dividend on each rupees 75 share equal to rupees 15, that is 15. Therefore, annual income on 120 shares equal to 120 into rupees 15, that is rupees 1800 is annual income. This is second answer. And third answer is profit percent. Profit percent equal to total profit by total investment into 100, that is 25%. Now, second question. A company pays a dividend of rupees 15% on its 10 rupees share, from which he deducts income tax at the rate of 22%. Find the annual income of the man who owns 1000 shares of this company. The solution is, face value of one share equal to rupees 10 and dividend 15% on each rupees 10 share equal to rupees 1.5. Therefore, dividend on 1000 shares, because the man has purchased 1000 shares, equal to 1000 into 1.5, that is rupees 1500. Therefore, net income after 22% income tax deduction equal to, that is 100 minus 22, that is 78%, which is 78 by 100 into 1500, that is rupees 1170. This is his annual income after the deduction of income tax. Next, question number 3. A man invests rupees 8,800 in buying a share of a company of face value of rupees 100 each. Face value is 100 each at a premium of 10%. At a premium of 10%. If he earns rupees 1200 at the end of the year as dividend, to find out the number of shares he has in the company, the dividend per share he earns. This is earn, EARNS, earns. Therefore, the face value of one share is rupees 100 and market value of one share at a premium of 10% equal to 110 by 100 into 100, that is 110. Therefore, number of shares he bought with investment of rupees 8,800 equal to 8,800 by 110, that is 80 shares. So he purchased only 80 shares. And dividend he earned rupees 1200. Therefore, dividend on each share equal to total dividend by number of shares, that is rupees 15. And dividend on each rupees 100 share, 100 rupees is face value share equal to 15. Therefore, dividend percent equal to 15%. This is the answer. Number 4. A man invests rupees 1,680 in buying shares of nominal value of rupees 24 and selling at 12% premium. The dividend on the share is 15% per annum. To calculate the number of shares he buys, the dividend he receives annually, and nominal value of one share. Now the solution, the nominal value of one share is rupees 24, and market value of each share at 12% premium equal to, after calculating this, we are getting rupees 26.88. Therefore, number of shares he buys or purchased equal to total investment by cost of one share, that is 62.5. He purchased rupee 62.5 at the rate of 26.88. Now dividend at the rate of 15% on each share, on each 24 share, rupees 24 share equal to rupees 3.60, because 15% of rupees 24 equal to 3.60. Therefore, annual dividend he earned rupees 3.60 into number of shares, that is 62.5, equal to rupees 225, his annual dividend. Question number 5. By investing rupees 7,500 in a company paying 10% dividend, and annual income of rupees 500 is received, what price is paid for each rupees 100 share? Nominal value of each share is rupees 100, dividend 10%, dividend on each 100 rupees share at the rate of 10% equal to rupees 10. The number of share he purchased equal to total dividend by dividend on one share, that is 50. He purchased 50 shares, and MV of each share equal to total investment by number of shares. Therefore, it is number of shares equal to dividing 7500 by 50 equal to 150. Therefore, he purchased, his purchase price, that is cost price of each share equal to rupees 150. This much today. We will be getting more problems from share and dividend, and follow my classes. That's all today.